This warning is put in place by the Center of Furry Control of the Anti-Furry Coalition. The PathOwOgen virus is spreading rapidly. Youth, especially between the ages of 8 to 13, are extremely vulnerable and may fall ill to this disease upon contact. Enforce strict health measures, such as avoiding the use of social media other than anti-furry secured ones, and staying away from individuals displaying signs of cringe, fatherlessness, and animal role-playing. The anti-furry combined forces are currently trying to control the situation. Thank you for understanding.